it's important to remind yourself that you are enough. People want to connect with who you are and what your music is.
So on my YouTube channel, we have a series called 5 Things Producers Need to Know. So I thought I'd get you to do for your 5 things. Basically, it's 5 things you might tell your younger self or producers, or just, 5 bits of life advice, 5 production tips, 5 DJ tips. Or it could be a mix of all 5. And then we basically cut this out for a separate piece of content down the line.
Dope.
So, are you ready for this? Also, you can have a Brucey bonus if you fancy a Brucey bonus as well. But let's get 5. So, your number 1.
All right. So, number 1, always know that your artistry means something. Number 2 is honest music is timeless music.
Nice.
Number 3. Never limit yourself. Never limit yourself. Number 4, never give up. And, that's the thing, like never give up, because it could be quite discouraging at times. And I think last but not least is, I hope it doesn't sound too much like number 1, but I'm just thinking here. Yeah, number 5 is you are enough, right? It's kind of like number 1, but you really are. It's important to remind yourself that you are enough. People want to connect with who you are and what your music is. Not sounding like, the top 10 Beatport chart. So actually, let's replace number 5. The top 10 and charts and all of that stuff don't mean anything. They really don't.
We'll keep number 5, and that can be our Brucey bonus.
Yeah.
Love them. Wicked. Thank you so much. That's cool. Watch this video next for more tips for DJs and producers, and consider subscribing so you get these videos first. I have been Graham Farmer, and thanks for tuning in this week. See you next week. Bye-bye.